this kid I knew. He just decided he didn't want to go to school anymore. All he wanted to do was build a robot, which sounds pretty cool. But there's much more to the story. Listen up, I'll tell you about this kid that said, I am through. No longer am I attending this place called school. It's a waste of my time and it makes me sick. I've had enough reading, writing, and arithmetic. His parents said, no, you've got to learn. Grow up big, get a job, in green you'll earn. They'd scratch their heads, they'd get him not. But all he wants to do is build a rocket robot.
Rockin' robot, rockin' robot, rockin' robot. Rockin' robot, rockin' robot, rockin' robot. Rockin' robot, rockin' robot, rockin' robot. Rockin' robot, rockin' robot, rockin' robot.
The kid told his dad, not all school is bad, but to build a rocket robot would be totally rad. Guitars, microchips, and mechanical parts. Lasers for the eyes and a metronome heart. Just plug him in and he'll play all night. This rockin' robot will be out of sight. He told his mom and dad, you don't understand. Nothing is cooler than a robot in a band.
Man, that sounds futuristic. A robot on stage singing?
But the boy has to go to school to learn.
Chucky, what happened? Did he go back to school or build a robot?
Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna tell you the rest of the story. But first, it's time for a robot dance break! But an education seems to be your only choice. Science and math must be your scene, cause you'll have to study hard to build a musical machine. The kid realized he didn't think this through. Back to school to make his dream come true. So he hit the books, got down to biz to learn everything he can so he can build his
Rockin' robot, rockin' robot, rockin' robot. Rockin' robot, rockin' robot, rockin' robot. Rockin' robot, rockin' robot, rockin' robot. Rockin' robot, rockin' robot, rockin' robot.
Everybody, let me tell a tale about a little guy I know. If you lay the grooves, he's got the moves. You know this cat can go. Well, you know this kid has got some crazy steps you can't resist. And you can't ignore when he hits the floor. And it goes a little something like this. 'Cause he's a dancing kitten, can't ask for more. He's gonna win you over when he's on the floor. Going across the nation, coming to your town. 'Cause he's a dancing kitten, and he's come to get down. Dance, dance kitten. No other kid is shaking like you. Dance, dance kitten. Here's the second verse. Then one day he was on his way to a dance across town, when a mean old guy giving him the eye said, "Boy, you can't get down." Well, you know this cat was just too good to ever be dismissed. So without a care, he danced right there, and it went a little something like this. 'Cause he's a dancing kitten, can't ask for more. He's gonna win you over when he's on the floor. Going across the nation, coming to your town. 'Cause he's a dancing kitten, and it's time for a kitty cat breakdown. Dance kitten, I get down kitten. Do the jerk kitten, I do the smurf kitten. Mow the lawn kitten, I do your taxes kitten. Change your light bulb kitten. Scratch kitty cat scratch.